The Lagos Police Command has confirmed the exhumation of the corpse of the late singer Ileri Oluwa Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, on Thursday. Police also arrested the nurse who reportedly injected the deceased prior to his death on Tuesday, September the 12th. The Lagos Police Command Public Relations Officer SP Benjamin Hundeyin via X, formerly Twitter, also confirmed that the autopsy has been carried out and that the results are being awaited. Meanwhile, the hashtag Justice for Mohbad movement continues to gain traction across the country and even parts of the world. Here in Lagos, a candlelight procession with top music artists like Davido and Falz were in attendance, and many other artists were there to pay their last respect to the deceased.
Everything